Alright guys, hopefully this wind doesn't affect you hearing me too much here, but I've just been out with the Kronos XTR, just a little blast there on 3S. I usually take it out on 4S, but today I thought I'd do a little 3S bash just for a little change. The only other thing that I've done different, which isn't really different if you put it that way, is I've put the stock wheels back on it. The stock tyres are great on the XTR, no issues with them. The reason I had the outcast ones on previous was just to change the look when I done the body. But yeah, I'm loving this car, it's amazing. I can't really put any words how much fun it is to drive, wheelies, flips, hill climbs. 8 scale is just such a sweet spot for cars, it's really, really good. I'm going to get this one probably put away now, and I've got another couple of my cars and we'll be shot off camera today, because sometimes I'm doing a lot of recording, doing movies and stuff, and you've kind of got to take the time just to enjoy your cars as well without worrying about filming them. So I'm going to get a little play myself, we'll hopefully get this up tonight, and fingers crossed you enjoy it. But Kronos XTR, amazing car. I think also Crowley have got, I've not got them yet personally, but there's a new hub update for them came out now, so they've got new strengthened hubs, which I'm very interested in getting for the car. Not because mines are popping off anymore, I solved that problem, but I'd like to get it back to old Crowley parts, get the little armour pivots out of there, and yeah, it's just a fantastic car, the Kronos XTR. Really recommend it, it's so good. And yeah, probably talking too much now, still kind of on a little adrenaline high for this bash, but here's some footage of the car and I'll see you guys in the next one.
Bye.